Hey everyone, so it's a beautiful day here in the UK, well, in London, and I just wanted to come on and share really where we're at right now, where you might be at, and how I may be able to help you with some free tips and or some additional ideas around growing your business. And as many of you may know, depending on if you've seen me before, I'm a brand and marketing coach and consultant. I'm also a practitioner that has got experience hands-on of not only building brands but also monetizing them and promoting them. So I wanted to come on today to really share just a few things you might want to be aware of. Hey, how you doing? Some things you might want to be aware of to help you promote your business. So if you're watching now, feel free to share with others that may find this live useful. But I'm going to share with you a few points. The first thing is June is mid-year mark for most of us. I don't know how you calculate timings, but for me, in my diary, June is the middle of the year. So what I want you to think about is what you've done so far that's worked really well and do more of that. What you've done maybe or overdone and that hasn't brought any results in, no return on investment, no inquiries, no leads, no results, and tweak the things that haven't got you the results, okay? Because marketing is about tweaking, and it's high time more of us realize that, because you can't just consistently do the same thing over and over again in exactly the same way and expect results. So before June, let's make sure you're clear, I'm clear, everyone's clear on what's working in your business and what isn't in terms of branding and also marketing. And one of the biggest markers that your marketing isn't working is that you're possibly not getting any sales, or you're not consistently getting inquiries, or you haven't got any money to show for what you're actually doing in terms of the time and money that you're investing in making this work. So make sure you're clear on what's worked and what hasn't. The second thing is, if you haven't really thought about different tactics beyond social media, I want to encourage you to do that, okay, as soon as possible, because email marketing, video marketing, different types of content marketing, if you haven't yet explored those things, some of us don't even have landing pages yet or a way to collect data, right? And I was speaking to someone literally this morning in my family and saying, listen, if Instagram was to go down, what are you going to do? If Instagram dies and you're only always posting on Instagram, what's your backup? To stay in touch with your community, to make offers, to communicate with them. What's your backup? And I got a blank face. So I want to remind you of the importance of widening your net. Nothing wrong with that. And also testing and tweaking what doesn't work. If you are only using one platform and that platform